Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix shaky video in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Fixing shaky video in CapCut on your Android device is straightforward with its built-in stabilization feature. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you stabilize your shaky footage. Firstly, launch the CapCut app on your Android device. Tap on your project. Then choose the shaky video you want to stabilize from your gallery. Then tap on Add to import it into your project. Then tap on the video clip and the timeline to choose it. Scroll through the bottom menu Options and tap on Stabilize. Now, CapCut offers different stabilization modes, such as Standard, Minimal Crop, etc. Choose the one that best suits your needs by tapping on it. Or move the slider. Then the app will begin processing the video to apply the stabilization. Now, tap on the check mark. After stabilization is applied, you can preview the video to see if the shakiness has been reduced to your satisfaction. If necessary, you can try different stabilization modes or adjust the intensity of the stabilization. Once you are satisfied with the stabilization, tap on the export button at the top right corner. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce the shakiness in your videos using CapCut, resulting in smoother and more professional looking footage. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.